About oneSOURCE. oneSOURCEdocs.com is an online database with manufacturer's instructions for use documents and manuals. These are the instructions you receive from the manufacturer when you purchase a new instrument, device, or piece of equipment. This document will tell you how to clean, disassemble, and sterilize reusable surgical instruments, devices, and equipment. Let me begin by saying that oneSOURCE is the only database of its kind. It is accessed via the Internet. There is no software to download or install. It works with your existing computer system. We provide these IFU documents electronically. Think of us as your liaison to the manufacturer. We work with more than 1,400 manufacturers and currently have more than 165,000 links to instructions for use documents. Login instructions. Let's start by going to your browser and entering our website address, oneSOURCEdocs.com, and our website homepage will appear. Once you subscribe to oneSOURCE, we will assign you a username and password, which you can use throughout your facility. You may also place a desktop shortcut on your computers by following the directions contained in your Welcome Kit email. This would allow the oneSOURCE icon to appear on your computer screen, and you would simply click on our icon to access your oneSOURCE account. Either option means you can have multiple users on the system at the same time with unlimited access. How to search by database. I will start by logging in, which will immediately take us to our search screen. The checked boxes below indicate the database you purchased. We have two databases active, surgical and equipment. Deselect the equipment box and make sure the surgical instrument box is checked to search the surgical instrument database, which contains items that are in the sterile field. This will also include some equipment if it is sterilized. Deselect the surgical instrument box and make sure the equipment box is checked to search only the equipment database, which contains equipment that is wiped down outside the sterile field, such as compression sleeves, pumps, and washers. It also contains patient care-focused equipment that is used throughout the hospital, including radiology, GI lab, ICU, and many other departments. Leave both boxes checked to search both databases simultaneously. Click on the blue Document Search Screen instructions. These quick search screen instructions are always available for your review. Now let's start searching on our own. We will begin by searching for a surgical instrument. Deselect the equipment box. On the standard search side, there are three ways to search. The first one is the search you will use when you know the catalog number. You will find this number directly on the instrument. This is the best way to search because it will provide you with the fewest number of search results. Now let's put 4300-034-000 into the catalog number search screen. Click Search Documents. Here we get one result. The first column is the manufacturer, the second column is the instrument catalog or model number, the third column is description, and the fourth column indicates whether the document is in the surgical instrument or equipment database. This instrument is in the surgical instrument database. Before we look at this document, let me mention that our documents are in Adobe Reader format. The current version of Adobe Reader is required to view our documents. Click here to upgrade to the free link of Adobe Reader if needed. Now, click Show Document. What you are seeing here first is our TechReady document. The TechReady document has been created and designed as a direct result of client needs for go-to information. This document is for you, the technician. All of the information from point of use through sterilization has been extracted and highlighted exactly as it appears on the IFU document for your convenience. You can see here we have highlighted cleaning, disinfection, and sterilization, and color-coded the sterilization instructions. The use of the Adobe Reader format allows you to use the zoom feature, print the document, and save it to your hard drive to email it. Every internet browser may appear to look different, but all have these features. The TechReady is always attached to the IFU you receive from the manufacturer. As you can see here, the document from the manufacturer is large in volume and hard to read, which makes the TechReady very attractive. Our TechReady documents can be printed and used for training, competencies, and standard operating procedures. Let's do one more search the same way, by instrument catalog number search screen, but this time let's choose something from the equipment database. First, always remember to click Clear Search. Next, deselect the surgical instrument button and make sure the equipment button is selected. Now we will enter catalog number MD-254. Click Search Documents. How to use tech-ready documents and navigate IFUs. This document provides us an example of a tech-ready with improved navigation. This type of tech-ready is for IFUs with more than 50 pages, for complex instruments, where cleaning and disinfection information is in chapters, not pages. Each tech-ready will have different directives for navigation specific to the IFU's requirements. The How to Navigate this document directive will be on the first page of the document. Although each document may appear different, all the tech-readies will have these two features. The first is a direct links feature on the IFU table of contents, where you can click on a subject that will take you directly to that topic. This feature makes navigation simple and fast. Click on the top left to jump to the table of contents. Now click on the page you wish to look at. I will choose Maintenance. Now you can see how quick it was to access what we were looking for. The second feature of this tech-ready is found by clicking on the top right of any page, and the Back to Top button appears. Click here and it will return you to the first page of the document. Many of our most viewed documents contain this navigation tool. You can also request a tech-ready document through the How to Submit a Document button, which I will go over in a later segment. How to search by manufacturer and add a document to favorites list. Remember to start by clearing our last search. Next, click on the database you want to search. Let's choose Surgical and Equipment Database. The second way to search on the standard search side is by manufacturer name. Choose 3M and search Documents, and you will see all the 3M documents in our database. Don't forget to clear your search here. And the third way to search is Keyword Description. If I type in Camera and search Documents, all of the cameras we have in our database will be listed. Now clear search. You can also use the manufacturer box and description box in conjunction with one another. For example, I can enter Care Fusion for manufacturer and then pump under description. The results will contain any Care Fusion pump. Let's choose the Solaris pump and add it to our favorites list. The favorites list is a place to save documents we are frequently using. Our favorites options make it easier than ever to keep track of your favorite and often used documents. Our favorite searchable categories and notes enables you to better organize and manage your documents, saving time and improving efficiency in your department. Click Add to Favorites. A box will appear asking if you would like to add any categories or save any notes about instruments or devices. You have the ability to assign searchable categories to each document. The categories are designed and labeled by you, so you can define the best way to label your documents. You can categorize by facility location, department, physician, procedure, set, or any custom category that will work best for your facility. Under the Notes section, you can add any pertinent information about the cleaning or use of the instrument or device. I'll enter Rachel Wilson's notes, August 2013. Once you have entered all desired categories and notes, click Save. You will notice that the Favorites heart box turns blue to indicate it has been added to your favorites list. Let's now click on the Favorites button to see what we have saved. Here you can search by any or all of these assigned categories, together or one at a time. Let's search Dr. Brown. Click on Dr. Brown's category. Click Search Documents. Here you can see I've saved one document to Dr. Brown. Additionally, you can search by the text of any notes that have been entered for your favorites documents, so that you are able to conduct the most refined search possible. If I enter Rachel Wilson and click Search Documents, you will see here that I have 3 documents saved under Rachel Wilson. Adding or deleting categories for your documents is easy. Simply click on the Favorites button, click Remove, and Save. Here in the Favorites section, you will notice a header box that says Review Status. This will state Revised if a document has had a recent update, or Current if the manufacturer has not released a revision of the document during the revision period. Here you can sort the list of what you are viewing by clicking on the header of each column. This will sort the list alphabetically by the column you've chosen, for example, Catalog or Manufacturer. You may also delete documents here if you are no longer using them. How to use drop-down search. Another way you can search our website is the drop-down search. This is where you enter the manufacturer first. I will choose a Clarent. The next step is to choose a category. Click Multi-Angle Endoscope and Subcategory, Cyclops, followed by Set, 4mm. Click Search Documents. And there we see the documents we were looking for. How to submit a document request. If you search and we don't have a document you are looking for, you click Submit Document button. Then complete as much of the information that you have, such as catalog number, manufacturer, or name description. The more detail that you can provide on the email request helps our team to locate the document and complete your request in a timely manner. First, choose surgical instrument or equipment, catalog or model number, manufacturer, description, an email address, phone number, name, facility country, and click Submit. You can also use the Document Request button to request a Tech Ready be added to any existing documents we have in the database that may not have one already. Fill out the box the same way, but add Please Create Tech Ready in the box and click Submit. Your request is received by our customer service team, who are OR and SPD experienced and insightful about how operating rooms and SPD departments function, with hands-on extensive experience and instrument knowledge. A team member will respond that they have received your email. They will then contact the manufacturer to find the document you are requesting. You will be notified via email when that document has been added to the database. How I am notified of recent updates. Our Recent Updates tab is where you will find a list of recently updated documents. You will also be notified on your favorites list of recent updates. This section above contains weekly recently revised document lists. Each one is a link to a spreadsheet for the date range listed. There you will find extracted the new revision compared to the old revision. How to use Recently Viewed tab. We also have the Recently Viewed tab. This can be a helpful tool to see what documents are searched at your facility. Education tab. Our Education tab contains an array of online courses, webinars, and videos brought to you by various manufacturers as well as oneSOURCE. These courses are worth continuing education credits for the CBSPD and ISHM certifications. Toolbox. The Toolbox contains some helpful conversion tables as well as our partners link. View our partners and provided companies' websites if you have questions about your sterilizers. oneSOURCE also interfaces with instrument tracking software. These companies' inventory tracking systems are available for purchase by clicking here. oneSOURCEdocs.com offers interfaces with this software, so that if you have the software, you can see your cleaning instructions while viewing the tracking information on your screen at the same time. How to contact customer service. Our customer service team is available to answer any questions you may have, and if you would like to schedule a training webinar for you and your staff, please contact us at 800-701-3560 or email contact@oneSOURCedocs.com.